Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice equation 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power minus a is equal to 4, right? Here our target is to find out value of a, right? Okay, so let's start. Let x is equal to 2 to the power a, right? So 1 over x will be equal to 2 to the power minus a, fine? So this equation will change as x plus 1 over x is equal to 4, right? So x as LCM, x square plus 1 is equal to 4, fine? If we rearrange the equation, x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? This is a standard quadratic equation form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Fine. So x will be equal to 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 over 2a, 2 into 1. Fine. So x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 4 over 2, right? So x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 12 over 2, right? Or x is equal to 4 plus minus 12 as 2 square root of 3 over 2, right? So x is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 3, right? So x is equal to 2 plus square root of 3 if we take positive sign, right? Here if we take negative sign, so x will be equal to 2 minus square root of 3. Fine. As we have assumed x is equal to 2 to the power a, right? So if we take 2 plus square root of 3 is equal to 2 to the power a, right? If we take log on both the sides, log of 2 to the power a is equal to log of 2 plus square root of 3, fine? So a log of 2 is equal to log of 2 plus square root of 3, right? So a is equal to log of 2 plus square root of 3 over log of 2, right? Now a will be equal to log of 2 plus square root of 3 base 2, change of base law, right? Now if we check 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power minus a is equal to 4, right? So 2 to the power a log of 2 plus square root of 3 base 2, right? Plus 2 to the power log of 2 plus square root of 3 base 2 with minus sign, right, is equal to 4. Fine. Now this value will be equal to 2 plus square root of 3 plus this will be equal to 1 over 2 plus square root of 3 is equal to 4, right? Because a to the power log of b base a is equal to b, right? And a to the power minus log of b base a is equal to 1 over b. Fine. Now 2 plus square root of 3 plus this 1 over 2 plus square root of 3, right? Now 2 minus square root of 3 over 2 minus square root of 3 is equal to 4. Fine. So 2 plus square root of 3 and this value, plus 2 minus square root of 3 over this and this, 4 minus 3 is equal to 4, right? So 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2 minus square root of 3 is equal to 4, right? Now this and this will get cancelled out, so 4 is equal to 4, right? This is our required result. Okay friends, thank you.